We'll talk about that.
It's quite poor. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ian and this is number 3 in a beginner piano lesson series. Now if this is the first time that you've been here, I suggest you have a look at lesson 1 and 2 where we're starting to play a piece by Ludwig van Beethoven. And what we're going to focus on this time is the left hand, because in lesson 2 we mainly focused on this hand and practicing this hand. We're now going to look at this, focusing purely and simply on this, not playing both hands together but playing the left hand. And then what we'll do in the next lesson is we will combine both of those and put both hands together. So let's have a listen to the piece first of all at what would be called normal speed. So that's the piece at normal speed, and a couple of things we need to look at first of all. Let's have a look at the actual bass line music, the left hand music. We covered everything to do with the treble clef in lesson 2, so let's have a look at this bass clef. And what we'll see first of all is that we've got 2 notes in the first bar, we've got 2 notes together. So they are they're called a chord. Once you've got more than 1 note together, it's deemed a chord. And as we go through the whole piece, these chords keep popping up. Okay, we'll get into it in a separate one, actually, what all the notes are called, and the notes are on screen as the piece is playing. But we'll do a particular one about how to remember what the notes are on both treble and bass clef in a future video. But let's have a listen to this at half speed now, so that you can just practice the purple section, which is the left hand. Here we go. You need to practice that quite a few times and keep practicing it. And what I would suggest as a regime for your practice is practice the right hand a couple of times by using the video. Stop and start the video as you need. Use the slower half speed first, and the aim is to try and get it so that we can play this piece at full speed. So practice the right hand 2 or 3 times, and then swap and play the left hand part to the video, so that you can you're learning both different parts. Okay, so take your time, work through it really nice and slowly, don't rush, and if you've got any questions or any comments, pop them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next lesson. So thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.